The Proverbs chapter 5 verses 1 to 23 and chapter 6 verses 1 to 35. 1. My son, pay attention to my wisdom. Turn your ear to my understanding too, that you may maintain discretion, that your lips may preserve knowledge. 3. For the lips of an adulteress drip honey, her mouth is smoother than oil. But in the end she is as bitter as wormwood, and as sharp as a two-edged sword. 5. Her feet go down to death, her steps lead straight to Sheol. 6. She gives no thought to the way of life. Her ways are crooked, and she doesn't know it. 7. Now, therefore, my sons, listen to me. Don't depart from the words of my mouth. 8. Remove your way far from her. Don't come near the door of her house. 9. Lest you give your honor to others, and your years to the cruel one. 10. Lest strangers feast on your wealth, and your labors enrich another man's house. 11. You will groan at your latter end, when your flesh and your body are consumed. 12. And say, how I have hated instruction, and my heart despised reproof. 13. I haven't obeyed the voice of my teachers, nor turned my ear to those who instructed me. 14. I have come to the brink of utter ruin among the gathered assembly. 15. Drink water out of your own cistern, running water out of your own well. 16. Should your springs overflow in the streets, streams of water in the public squares. 17. Let them be for yourself alone, not for strangers with you. 18. Let your spring be blessed, rejoice in the wife of your youth. 19. A loving doe and a graceful deer, let her breasts satisfy you at all times. Be captivated always with her love. 24. Why should you, my son, be captivated with an adulteress? Why embrace the bosom of another? 21. For the ways of man are before the Lord's eyes. He examines all his paths. 22. The evil deeds of the wicked ensnare him. The cords of his sin hold him firmly. 23. He will die for lack of instruction. In the greatness of his folly, he will go astray. The Proverbs chapter 6 verses 1 to 35. 1. My son, if you have become collateral for your neighbor, if you have struck your hands in pledge for a stranger. 2. You are trapped by the words of your mouth. You are ensnared with the words of your mouth. 3. Do this now, my son, and deliver yourself, since you have come into the hand of your neighbor. Go, humble yourself, press your plea with your neighbor, for give no sleep to your eyes, nor slumber to your eyelids. 5. Free yourself, like a gazelle from the hand of the hunter, like a bird from the snare of the fowler. 6. Go to the ant, you sluggard, consider her ways, and be wise. 7. Which, having no chief, overseer, or ruler. 8. Provides her bread in the summer, and gathers her food in the harvest. 9. How long will you sleep, sluggard? When will you arise out of your sleep? 10. A little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to sleep. 11. So your poverty will come as a robber, and your scarcity as an armed man. 12. A worthless person, a man of iniquity, is he who walks with a perverse mouth. 13. Who winks with his eyes, who signals with his feet, who motions with his fingers. 14. In whose heart is perverseness, who devises evil continually, who always sows discord. 15. Therefore his calamity will come suddenly, he will be broken suddenly, and that without remedy. 16. There are 6 things which the Lord hates, yes, 7 which are an abomination to him. 17. Arrogant eyes, a lying tongue, hands that shed innocent blood. 18. A heart that devises wicked schemes, feet that are swift in running to mischief. 19. A false witness who utters lies, and he who sows discord among brothers. 20. My son, keep your father's commandment, and don't forsake your mother's teaching. 21. Bind them continually on your heart, tie them around your neck. 22. When you walk, it will lead you. When you sleep, it will watch over you. When you awake, it will talk with you. 23. For the commandment is a lamp, and the law is light. Reproofs of instruction are the way of life. 24. To keep you from the immoral woman, from the flattery of the wayward wife's tongue. 25. Don't lust after her beauty in your heart, neither let her captivate you with her eyelids. 26. For a prostitute reduces you to a piece of bread. The adulteress hunts for your precious life. 27. Can a man scoop fire into his lap, and his clothes not be burned? 28. Or can one walk on hot coals, and his feet not be scorched? 29. So is he who goes into his neighbor's wife. Whoever touches her will not be unpunished. 30. Men don't despise a thief if he steals to satisfy himself when he is hungry. 31. But if he is found, he shall restore 7 times. He shall give all the wealth of his house. 32. He who commits adultery with a woman is void of understanding. He who does it destroys his own soul. 33. He will get wounds and dishonor. His reproach will not be wiped away. 34. For jealousy arouses the fury of the husband. He won't spare in the day of vengeance. 35. He won't regard any ransom, neither will he rest content, though you give many gifts. The Proverbs chapter 5 verses 1 to 23 and chapter 6 verses 1 to 35. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.